How to fix Grand Theft Auto 5 crashing and freezing in online play. Welcome to Teknobalta, your dedicated PC problem solver. Today, we address persistent Grand Theft Auto 5 crashes, especially during online gameplay sessions. Users often report the game freezing and then closing abruptly after short periods of driving. The primary fix for this issue frequently involves verifying the integrity of game files. We will delve into why this occurs and provide a comprehensive, step-by-step solution to restore your game's stability. Grand Theft Auto 5 crashing can stem from several underlying technical issues within your system. Corrupted game assets or missing files are frequent culprits, leading to unexpected application exits. These file discrepancies can occur during installation, updates, or even due to disk errors over time. Outdated or improperly installed display drivers can also cause instability during graphics rendering, particularly in demanding scenarios. Memory leaks, conflicts with third-party software, or system resource exhaustion often manifest as freezes before a crash. These issues disrupt the game engine's execution flow, triggering an unhandled exception and subsequent application termination. During online play, continuous data synchronization and asset loading can exacerbate existing file corruption or driver instabilities. This constant data stream puts additional stress on the system and game files. Ensuring all game files are pristine and that your system environment is optimized is critical for stable gameplay. We will start by covering essential prerequisite checks for optimal system performance. Before proceeding with game file verification, ensure your operating system is fully updated to the latest stable build. Navigate to Windows Update settings and check for any pending critical updates or feature releases. These updates often include crucial security patches and system performance enhancements that can impact game stability. Running an outdated OS version can introduce compatibility issues with newer game builds. Next, verify your graphics card drivers are current and properly installed, even if you recently updated them. A clean reinstallation can resolve underlying driver conflicts or corrupted driver components. Utilize a tool like Display Driver Uninstaller (DDU) to perform a thorough removal of all previous driver remnants in Windows Safe mode. This ensures a completely clean slate for the new installation. After removing old drivers, download the absolute latest stable drivers directly from your GPU manufacturer's official website. Install these drivers with a clean installation option if available. Outdated DirectX or Visual C++ redistributables can also cause runtime errors, as many games rely heavily on these libraries. Ensure these essential runtime components are installed and up to date. You can typically find the latest versions on Microsoft's official support website. Installing or repairing these packages can often resolve obscure game launch or crash issues. Verify basic system hardware integrity, focusing on your RAM and storage devices. Run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool to check for any potential RAM module faults that could cause crashes. Perform a quick disk check disk for the drive where Grand Theft Auto 5 is installed to rule out bad sectors. Bad sectors can lead to corrupted game files and data read errors. Ensure adequate cooling for your CPU and GPU, as overheating can trigger thermal throttling or system shutdowns. Monitor component temperatures during gameplay using tools like MSI Afterburner or HW Monitor. Excessive heat severely impacts performance and stability, often leading to frame drops, stuttering, and ultimately crashes. Clean your system's fans and heat sinks periodically. Close all unnecessary background applications before launching Grand Theft Auto 5. Third-party overlays, certain antivirus software, or system monitoring tools can sometimes conflict with the game. Temporarily disable these applications to isolate if they are contributing to the crashes. A clean boot environment can help identify software conflicts. The most direct and effective solution for corrupted game files is to verify their integrity through your game launcher. This process compares all local game files against the official manifest on the server. Any discrepancies, missing files, or corrupt data are then automatically downloaded and replaced, restoring the game to its intended state. This is often the first and most critical step in troubleshooting. For users utilizing the Rockstar Games Launcher, open the client and navigate to your Grand Theft Auto 5 game library. Locate the game entry and click on the Settings icon, typically a gear symbol. Within the game-specific settings menu, locate the Verify Integrity or Verify Files option. Initiate this process. It may take several minutes depending on your system's speed and internet connection. Steam users will follow a similar procedure within their client interface. Open your Steam library and right-click on Grand Theft Auto 5 in your games list to open its context menu. Select Properties from the drop-down menu that appears, which will open a new window. Navigate to the Local Files tab within the Properties window to access file management options. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This action will initiate Steam's validation process, checking all game assets against the official server manifest. The Epic Games Launcher also provides this essential functionality for its users. Open the Epic Games Launcher and proceed to your Library section. Find Grand Theft Auto 5 in your list of owned games and click the three dots icon next to its title. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select Verify to begin the file integrity check. The launcher will then scan and repair any detected issues within the game installation. After the verification process completes, any identified issues with game files will be automatically corrected and necessary data downloaded. This step directly addresses missing or damaged game assets. These asset-related errors often manifest as unexpected crashes, freezes, or graphical glitches during gameplay. A successful verification ensures all game binaries and data files are in their pristine state. This minimizes the risk of crashes related to corrupted installation data or missing content. Once verification is complete, attempt to launch Grand Theft Auto 5 and test its stability in online mode. This systematic approach targets the most common causes of GTA 5 crashing. By addressing file integrity and system prerequisites, you significantly improve your chances of stable gameplay. If, after verifying game files, you still experience persistent crashes or freezes, further systematic investigation is warranted. The issue might extend beyond simple file corruption to deeper system or software conflicts. Begin by reviewing your system's event viewer for any critical errors or warnings correlating with the game crashes. Look for entries under Windows Logs, Application, and System around the timestamps of the crashes. Specific error codes like 0xC0000005 access violation or messages indicating problematic modules can provide crucial diagnostic clues. Research these error codes to pinpoint potential causes, such as faulty memory or conflicting software. Consider reverting your graphics drivers to a previously stable version if the latest drivers introduce new instability. Sometimes, newer drivers can have regressions or compatibility issues with older game engines. Access your GPU manufacturer's archive for older driver versions and perform another clean installation using DDU. This tests if the recent driver update is the direct cause of the crashes. Check the game's official forums or support pages for known issues specific to your GPU model or game version. Developers often release hotfixes or workarounds for widespread compatibility problems. Ensure your system meets the minimum and recommended specifications for Grand Theft Auto V. While the game is older, demanding online scenarios can still push hardware limits. Insufficient RAM or an outdated CPU can lead to performance bottlenecks that manifest as freezes or crashes under load. Verify your CPU and GPU usage during gameplay with monitoring tools. If overclocking your CPU, GPU, or RAM, temporarily revert to default clock speeds. Overclocking can introduce instability, especially in demanding applications like games, leading to unpredictable crashes. Test the game with different graphics settings, particularly lowering texture quality, shadow details, and anti-aliasing. High settings can push VRAM limits, causing crashes if your GPU struggles to render frames. Examine your network connection quality, especially for online play. Packet loss or a strict NT type can cause connectivity issues that may manifest as freezes or disconnections, sometimes leading to a game crash. Run a network diagnostic to check for packet loss and latency. Ensure your router's firmware is updated and try a wired connection if you are currently using Wi-Fi to eliminate wireless interference. If all previous steps fail, a complete reinstallation of Grand Theft Auto V may be necessary as a final resort. This ensures a completely fresh set of game files and registry entries. Before reinstalling, manually delete any remaining game folders and cached files after uninstalling through the launcher. This ensures no corrupted remnants persist to affect the new installation. For Rockstar Games Launcher, after uninstalling, check C/program files /Rockstar Games /Grand Theft Auto 5 and C/users /your username /documents /Rockstar Games /GTA 5 for any leftover data. For Steam, after uninstalling, navigate to Steam /steamapps /common and delete the Grand Theft Auto 5 folder. Also, check user data folders if any persist. For Epic Games Launcher, verify that the game directory is fully removed after uninstallation. Clear the Epic Games Launcher's cache by navigating to C/users /your username /appdata /local /Epic Games Launcher /saved /webcache and deleting its contents. After a clean reinstallation, re-verify game files immediately through your chosen launcher. This ensures the integrity of the freshly downloaded data before your first launch attempt. Consider running Windows System File Checker (SFC) and Deployment Image Servicing and Management (DISM) tools to check for core operating system file corruption. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These commands repair corrupted Windows system files that might be indirectly affecting game stability. They are crucial for maintaining overall OS health. Systematic troubleshooting involves isolating variables one by one until the root cause is identified. Document each step and its outcome to avoid redundant efforts. The goal is to eliminate potential factors until Grand Theft Auto V achieves stable operation in your specific hardware and software environment. Patience and methodical testing are key to resolving complex issues. Always ensure you have sufficient free space on your primary drive and the drive where Grand Theft Auto V is installed. Low disk space can lead to virtual memory issues and system instability. Periodically check for updated firmware for your motherboard and other critical components. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause compatibility problems with newer software or hardware. This comprehensive approach tackles GTA V crashes from multiple angles, from game file integrity to deep system-level diagnostics. By following these steps, you build a robust and stable gaming platform. Successfully resolving these issues ensures a more enjoyable and uninterrupted Grand Theft Auto V online experience. Your persistent troubleshooting efforts will be rewarded with stable gameplay. You have successfully diagnosed and applied solutions for Grand Theft Auto V crashing and freezing issues. Always prioritize game file verification and ensure your system's core components are up to date. This systematic approach is key to maintaining a stable and optimized gaming experience across all titles. Thank you for choosing Teknobalta for your technical troubleshooting needs. Stay tuned for more essential PC problem-solving guides to keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. Your journey to a seamless gaming experience continues here.